Hi guys, we're at Precision Autobody today. This is Super Reserves and this is Pedro.
Yeah.
Hi. So Pedro, can you tell us a bit about this car?
Yeah, it's a bit old. Sounds like it's going to blow up sometime soon.
Yeah, it's a Mini Cooper.
Yeah.
What year do you know?
2007.
2007?
Yeah.
How many kilometers on it?
130.
130?
Yeah.
So do you notice any kind of engine issues or like loss of power or?
Yeah, like it's not that,
Yeah?
it doesn't perform how it should.
How it should?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, so today we'll apply one bottle of Super Nano into the system and get your reaction from it.
Yeah.
Thank you. To use Super Nano, we're first gonna warm up the engine. Thank you.
You have to step on the clutch.
Yeah.
The clutch?
Oh, yeah. Nice. So this Mini Cooper has got 142,000 kilometers on it. Now we're waiting for the engine to warm up and we'll do our first vibration test. This is the first vibration test.
Can I put a bit of
So
oil
the
in
engine's warmed up.
there?
Is there oil?
But I have no explanation for this car. I have no explanation for this car.
Wait, so are you saying this burns oil or
Yeah.
leaks oil? Or probably one of these.
Burn.
Burns oil. All right. How many liters do you reckon? Like how many times do you need to top it up?
6 weeks. In 6 weeks I have to top up about 1.5 litres.
Oh yeah, no worries. So before we use Super Nano, we've got to shake the bottle for 30 seconds to 60 seconds. All right.
Engine repair without disassembly.
Now we immediately start the engine. Alright, we've just applied 2 bottles of Super Nano and we're gonna go for a drive for around 10 minutes. Do you feel anything at all?
There's a little bit smell.
Yeah? The second vibration test. Our experience so far has suggested for us that in order to obtain better results for our tests, the test variables should be kept to a minimum and to execute a consistent after application protocol of keeping the engine at low RPM combined with idling in park or neutral gear for at least 15 minutes. We hope to continue tests for this vehicle to learn more about whether the application has brought any other changes or improvements to how the engine runs.